When working with classes, you can cast an object of a derived class to its base class or vice versa. However, you can only cast derived classes to base classes without additional checks. To safely cast from a base class to a derived class, you can use the as operator or as operator to avoid exceptions. Reference type casting refers to converting an instance of one reference type into another. This is usually done between compatible types, such as when working with base and derived classes or interface implementations. The as operator attempts to cast an object to a specified type. If the cast is not possible, it returns null instead of throwing an exception. The as operator checks whether the object is of a specified type or can be cast to that type, including derived types. It returns true if the object is an instance of the specified type or of any type derived from it. Upcasting is the process of casting a derived class to a base class. It is safe and can be done implicitly without any additional checks since all derived class objects are also instances of their base class. Downcasting is the process of casting a base class object back to one of its derived classes. This process can lead to runtime exceptions if not checked properly. To safely perform downcasting, it is essential to check the type of the object before casting.